U.S. stock market history. 1. Early beginnings 1790s 1800s 1792. The Buttonwood Agreement was signed by 24 brokers under a buttonwood tree in New York City, the origin of the New York Stock Exchange NYSE. Early markets were informal and based mainly on government bonds. 2. The 1800s, industrialization and growth stocks in railroads, banks, and manufacturing companies started trading. Panic of 1837 and other financial crises showed the economy's volatility. Civil War era, stock trading expanded massively to finance the war. 3. The Gilded Age late 1800s, rapid economic growth, industrial monopolies Carnegie, Rockefeller, and the rise of the Dow Jones Industrial Average created in 1896. Heavy speculation and boom and bust cycles. 4. The Roaring Twenties and the Great Crash 1920s, 1930s, 1920s, stock market soared during economic boom. Massive use of margin loans. 1929, stock market crash. Black Tuesday, triggering the Great Depression. Led to major reforms like the Securities Act of 1933 and the creation of the Securities and Exchange Commission. 5. Post-war boom 1940s, 1960s. After World War II, the U.S. economy surged. The stock market expanded alongside the rise of the middle class. Big blue-chip companies dominated, for example, General Motors, IBM. 6. Turbulent 1970s inflation, oil crises, Vietnam War, stock market stagnation, and volatility stagflation. 7. Bull market of the 1980s and 1990s, economic recovery under Reagan. 1987, Black Monday. The Dow dropped 22% in a single day. 1990s, tech boom and dot-com bubble. NASDAQ soared. 8. Early 2000s, bubbles and crash. 2000, dot-com bubble burst. Tech stocks collapsed. 2001, 9/11 attacks shook markets. 2007 to 2009, global financial crisis. Major institutions failed. S&P 500 lost about 50%. 9. 2010s, recovery and tech dominance, longest bull market in history 2009 to 2020. Rise of FAANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Stock market increasingly driven by tech and low interest rates. 10. 2020s, COVID-19 and beyond. March 2020, historic crash due to pandemic fears, but fast recovery after massive stimulus. New trends, memes, stocks, GameStop, crypto influence, AI-driven investments.